Hey there, cat lovers! Today, we're going to discuss some ways on how to make your feline friend happy. As we all know, a happy cat is a healthy cat. So let's dive in. First and foremost, quality time is key. Spend more time with your cat, purring, napping, or just having a chat. Reading to them or playing with them is another great way to bond and make them feel loved. Next, give them attention and affection. A simple scratch behind the ears or a gentle rub across their back and go a long way in making them feel loved and appreciated. Another tip is to provide them with plenty of toys and activities to keep them entertained. This can include puzzle toys, catnip toys, or even playing with other toys or pets. Keep in mind that variety is key, so don't get bored of the same toys. Feeding your cat their favorite food or leaving some food out for them to hunt can also be a great way to keep them happy. Just make sure not to overfeed them, as obesity is a common issue for cats. Finally, create a comfortable and safe environment for your cat. This includes providing them with a clean and comfortable bed, a litter box, and plenty of hiding spots and toys to explore. Remember, the key to making your cat happy is to be consistent and loving. By following these tips, you're sure to get a happy and healthy cat in no time.